10. Does Bionic Man have a future? One of the problems of our time is the unreasoning worship of science. We too often assume that anything science produces has to be better than what God did. One television show of recent years featured a bionic man, another a bionic woman. The reality of such a person is with most of us in parts, and it is none too good. If you wear a pacemaker to keep your heart going, you are probably glad to be alive, but the pacemaker can never be as good as a healthy, natural heart. If you wear glasses, you are, to that extent, a bionic person, but two healthy, strong eyes of your own are far better. The point is that the equipment God gave us is far better if we take care of it. Take another example. Test tube babies are highly touted as an amazing scientific advance. A more realistic view leaves us with grounds to rethink the matter. The press most readily reports successes in this area, not failures. About 95% of all test tube babies die sometime during the process, but this is not all. The work of Steptoe and Edwards showed an abnormal pregnancy rate of 50%. This puts a somewhat different light on test tube babies. Apart from the moral issues involved, the normal process of conception and birth is dramatically superior. A great deal of money is poured into a variety of experiments with life and birth, but the growing scientific establishment has a vested interest in giving us a favourable report on their work. In all of this, there are very serious moral issues. There is also this simple fact that the results of scientific efforts do not give us something better than God created, but at best a crutch. Two great bionic achievements are eyeglasses and pacemakers, while another is the crutch for broken legs. These are good and useful things, but they are no substitute for good eyes, a sound heart, and sound bones. When people give us the idea that Bionic Man can be better, they are conning us, and our life and freedom may be at stake.